This Century 21 Prestige Realty property video is presented by Malene Cuizon and Janice Johnson. Historical landmark home, large foyer with formal living room west bay windows, formal dining, kitchen west/breakfast area west/lots of cabinets, pantry, new electric stove west vented microwave-separate laundry room. Are you looking for bedrooms downstairs? This home has two. Do you want a large master? Do you need more bathrooms? 2.5 baths. Updated electrical, plumbing, HVAC, water heater. All on a corner lot west/two-car garage. For more information, review the details below.